Warm welcome to one and all. Pandemic is a big issue, no doubt. More than the pandemic, the bigger challenge is to face the students in the class with a wide range of tools, which are mostly interactive by nature. Here lies the ability of a teacher. Today, I wish to share with you how to use a tool called quizzes.com. This tool is very useful in making quizzes for all subjects. I am here to explain how this quizzes.com works. Let me start with the basics. If you wish to make a quiz, you need to click on the option create. First of all, if you don't have an account in quizzes.com, you need to create an account, you need to sign up. And once you sign up, this window will pop up. And in this window, if you wish to make a quiz, you have to click on the option create. Now I'm clicking on the option create. And now I would like to make a quiz. Therefore, I am choosing the option quiz. Right. Now here I'm giving the name of the quiz which I would like to make. The name of the quiz is GK. Right. Now this quiz is related to geography. Therefore, I'm clicking on the option geography. I am also the opinion that this quiz is also connected to one more field of activity called history. Therefore, I'm clicking on history. And then now I'm clicking on the option next. Right now I'm going to type the first question. I'm choosing the option multiple choice. And here a window pops up. The first question, what is the capital of India? Now I have typed the question and now answers. I'm giving the answers. New Delhi, first option. Second option is Bhopal. Third option is Panaji. And fourth option is Indore. And here, since the answer is New Delhi, I'm clicking on the option New Delhi. And you can set the timing for each question. Since it is a very easy question, I would like to give 20 seconds. I would like to allot 20 seconds for this question. Right. In case if you wish to insert an image, you need to click on the option insert, and then you can also insert an image. Only thing is you can't insert an audio and video. These two features will work only in paid versions, upgraded versions. Now I have saved. Like this, I can keep on adding questions. Now, once I'm done with all the questions, I can go for the option publish. In case if I wish to make any changes, I can click on the option edit. Okay, now I'll tell you how this edit option works. Now I click on the option edit. Now I want to replace Bhopal with some other city, Mumbai. Therefore, I have typed Mumbai, and once again I have to click the option save. Only then the changed version will get saved. And now, since I am done with the quiz, now I am publishing the quiz. That's it. Now here I have to mention, in case if I wish to add an image, I can add. Select the language is English. For which class is this quiz applicable? 4th standard. And then now I've saved the quiz. Right. Now the quiz is done. And if I wish to start the quiz, I need to click on the option start. Here there are two modes. One is called classic mode. Other one is called instructor paced mode. In classic mode, children can finish the quiz at their will. For instance, if there are 8 questions, for each question, if they wish to answer the question in the lightning fast method, they can do it. They can even answer 8 questions in 8 seconds. Whereas in the instruction based mode, we can set the timings. That is the difference between classic mode and instruction based mode. So I'm choosing on the option classic mode. Continue. Right. And here I need to click on the option share the link. Right. Here, after copying the link, you can paste the link in Microsoft Teams, or you can tell the code to the students. If you tell the code to the students, students have to type joinmyquiz.com in the search box, and then a window will pop up. It will ask enter join code, then they have to mention this code. Otherwise, if you click on the option, if the students click on the option which we are posting in the Microsoft Teams, they can straight away click and start join the quiz. And once the quiz is over, as a teacher, if I wish to see the scores, I can go to my library. Once the quiz is over, the winners will be listed out. If I wish to see the performance of each and every child, what I should do is I should click on the quiz. For instance, here I'm clicking on this particular quiz. Let me click on a quiz which got over so that I can show you the reports. Yeah, I'm clicking on this option. This quiz got over. Now, if I click on this option participant, this is what will happen. each and every participant, how each and every participant has done in the quiz will be shown. If I click on the option question, how each child has answered each question will be shown. Or else if I click on the option overview, as a teacher, I can see how each student has performed. In case if I wish to send an email to students, I can do so. All I have to do is to click on the option email to parents. And here I need to type the email address of the child and then click on the option send. If you want, you can even customize the message. Now here the message has been sent. And in the end, if you wish to download the performance of the child, you can download. Now I'm clicking on the option download. And the file will get downloaded. That's it. It's a very simple tool for teachers.